Dumpster Rental, Ohio. When handling your next project, whether big or small, Anna's Dumpster Rental is your trusted partner for waste removal. We provide reliable, high-quality dumpster rentals in Ohio designed to make your job easier, whether it's a home cleanup, renovation, or large construction site. Our dumpsters are perfect for any project, whether you're clearing out household clutter, renovating, or managing debris at a worksite. Our dependable service ensures that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. At Anna's Dumpster Rental, we make the process simple and stress-free, with fast deliveries, flexible rental periods, and timely pickups. Your dumpster arrives when needed and is removed on schedule, without any delays. Not sure which dumpster size to choose? Don't worry. Our expert team is always available to guide you in selecting the best option for your project needs. We take pride in providing expert advice to ensure your project is handled efficiently. Customer service is at the heart of everything we do. From the moment you inquire about a rental to the final pickup, Anna's Dumpster Rental is here for you. Have questions or special requests? Our friendly team is just a phone call away, ready to assist you promptly. Call Anna's Dumpster Rental today at 937-704-3069 for a reliable, hassle-free dumpster rental in Ohio that you can count on.